In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add free shipping on Shopify. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, look for the gear icon and open Settings. In the Settings menu, choose Shipping and Delivery. This is where all of your shipping profiles and rates live, and where we'll set up the free option your customers will see at checkout. Under the General Shipping Rates section, open your main profile. If you use multiple profiles, pick the one that applies to the products you want to cover. Next, select General Shipping Rates to view the shipping zones for your store. Within the zone where you want free shipping, click Add Rate. When the rate options appear, choose Use Flat Rate. This tells Shopify you're going to create your own custom rate rather than pulling rates from a carrier. Select the custom option so you can name the rate yourself. Give the rate a clear, customer-facing name like free shipping. Keep the price set to 0.000 to make it truly free. If you see a field for a custom delivery description, you can add a short note such as estimated 5 to 7 business days. This is optional, but helps set delivery expectations. If you want to make free shipping conditional, such as only for orders over a certain amount, click Add Conditional Pricing. Choose based on order price. Then enter the minimum order value that should qualify for free shipping. This is a common strategy to increase average order value while keeping shipping costs under control. If your business is better suited to weight-based eligibility, you can select based on item weight instead and define the weight range that qualifies. Pick whichever condition matches your policy and logistics. When your condition looks right, click Done to confirm it. You'll see the new free shipping rate listed under the selected zone, with either no condition, available to everyone in that zone, or your chosen condition clearly displayed. Review the rate name, the price of 0.00, and any description to make sure everything reads the way you want customers to see it at checkout. Finally, click Save. This step is crucial. Your changes won't go live until you save. After saving, it's a good idea to run a quick test checkout on your store to verify that the free shipping option appears exactly as expected, and only when it should. If something looks off, return to the same shipping and delivery area to adjust the rate name, the condition, or the zone. That's it. Your Shopify store now offers